What's up, shawty?
Let there be light.
Bulbs. The first light bulb we tested was the incandescent light bulb, which is just a generic brand. And it gave off the second most amount of light out of the 4 light bulbs we tested, and we found this by moving the probe away from the light bulb, and the light, or the level of light, remained the second highest out of all the light bulbs. However, this light bulb used the second highest amount of voltage, which was 94.7 watts in a minute. And since it has a higher voltage, that meant that the cost would increase since more energy is being used, which proves that it's not very efficient. And it would be $1.24 per month, which could really add up, depending on how many incandescent bulbs you have and however long you're keeping your lights on. It also had the highest temperature out of the 4 bulbs, with a temperature of 93 degrees Celsius, which means it's highly flammable and dangerous and not the best light bulb to have around at your house. However, it's the cheapest. It only costs about $1.49 per light bulb, which is fairly cheap compared to the other ones, but it has the lowest lifespan, with 1,000 hours.
Next we tested the LED light. This light has the lowest voltage with 7.8 watts. And because it has the lowest voltage, it uses less energy, meaning the cost per month goes down. For an LED light, for one light bulb, it costs about 10 cents per month to run. It also has the lowest temperature at 25.8 degrees Celsius, and because the surface temperature is low, this causes it to be less flammable and it's safer in households. It's not quite as bright as other lights, but it has 25,000 or more hour lifespan, so it lasts a really long time. Because of this, it is the most expensive light bulb to have, but over a long period of time of using it with low cost to run it, as well as it lasting a long time, it's well worth the purchase.
So the third light bulb we tested was the compact fluorescent light bulb. And what we found out was that it didn't give off as much light as distance increased, and actually had the most dramatic decrease of light level than any other light bulb as we moved the probe away from the light bulb. It also had a lower voltage similar to the LED bulb at 25.6 watts. And since the voltage was lower, the cost per hour or per month for the electric bills was also lower, at 33 cents per month. The surface temperature was also low like the LED bulb, with 40.8 degrees Celsius, so it's a lot safer for your home than bulbs like the incandescent. However, it's more expensive. They cost about $10 each for an individual bulb, but they do have a 10,000 plus hour lifespan, so they do last longer, which is part of the reason why they're more expensive.
Finally, we tested the halogen light bulb. This bulb has the highest voltage with 96.1 watts, and because of that, it costs the most per month to run at $1.25 per month for one light bulb. It has the second highest surface temperature with 71.6 degrees Celsius, so this causes fire hazards, or it's the most likely for stuff like that. It's the cheapest bulb to buy for the bulb, but it only has a 2,000 hour lifespan.